स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwar. Today in this video we'll talk all about the CMAT for upcoming year 2021, and we'll also discuss about the GIM Goa, that is Goa Institute of Management, and we'll cover important points like the eligibility criteria, the paper pattern of CMAT, how much marks needed to enter into GIM, that is the cutoff for GIM, the selection process of it, seat availability, and the most important one, that is the placement. So let's talk about the CMAT first. So CMAT, it is the Common Management Admission Test, which is a national level exam held by National Testing Agency. And why CMAT? Because most of the colleges accept the CMAT score, and there are many more exams such as GMAT, ZAT, CAT, through which you can also enter into the GIM Goa. But why only CMAT? Because as compared to these all exams, CMAT is quite easy. So let's see on another slide. Now guys, all you know, for the CMAT you must have the bachelor's degree. So here we'll discuss about the CMAT, why it is quite easy as compared to other exams. Major reason is you will get 100 questions for 180 minutes. So guys, as compared to other exams, here you will get enough time to attend these 100 questions. And the second thing, in each section you will get 25 questions, and there is no time limit to attend these sections. That means equal amount of questions you will get from each section. So the sections are language comprehension, quantitative technique use and data interpretations, logical reasoning, and the general awareness. All comprises of 25 questions from each. So for each correct answer, here you will get 4 marks, and for each incorrect answer, here you will lose 1 mark. So the maximum mark is 400, and guys, to enter into GIM or in any top business school, you have to score 300 plus marks. 90 percentile. So let's talk about the GIM. The Goa Institute of Management, one of the premier business school established in 1993 in Puriam, Goa, which is nearby Karmali railway station. The institute is accredited by National Board of Accreditation, that is NBA, and by Association of Indian Universities, AICTE. It is one of the top business school in India, the most preferred one in Goa, Maharashtra. It is holding the 11th rank in India for management program. Although it doesn't offer MBA or MMS, but it offers the full-time postgraduate diploma programs in management, in big data analysis, in banking, financial services and insurance, the postgraduate program in healthcare management, the executive programs for part-time and the fellowship programs, where these all are the seat intake for respective programs. The 2 years PGDM program is the institute's flagship program. The PGDM is accorded NBA accreditations and equivalence with MBA degree of an Indian university. And the big data analytics, it was introduced in 2018, and this was one of the first or earliest management program in country with an aim to create data literate managers for tomorrow's needs. While the healthcare management program introduced in 2013, and now it is the best healthcare management program in the country. Now here we'll talk about the selection process for GIM Goa, and it has the quite different procedure for the selection process. Now there are majorly 2 rounds, the one known as Achievers round, while second, that is regular round. Now here the candidates will be shortlisted on the basis of their scores in CMAT. It also considers the objective assessment, performance, work experience and the profile assessment index. And the selected candidate will be invited to Goa for Achievers round, and the shortlisted candidates of Achievers round will be eligible to apply for scholarship, and here these students get scholarship of 4 lakh rupees. Now for Achievers round, how shortlisting is done? So it will be based on the curricular, extracurricular, career achievements and the profile like qualification, past academic performance and the work experience. And in the regular round, the candidates will be invited at various interview centers. So the weightage for each particular parameter is the CMAT score has the 40% of weightage. The face-to-face interviews, each in Achiever round or in regular round, it considers 30%, while the 15% weightage for the past academic performance, 10% weightage for the work experience if any, and the 5% for composite diversity index. So overall 100%, and thus this is the procedure of selection for GIM Goa. And in this selection process, for Goans, for domicile and for origin candidates are given relaxation of 15 points in the cutoff of CMAT score. Now let's move further. So the very important point, that is the career scope and the placement. So GIM Goa has the very dedicated placement cell which works throughout the year to build the course and the students, and this team is very well ensures about the preparation and also for the placement. So after completing the course, here you can be play the managerial role in various companies such as the banking, finance, services and insurance, the FMCG companies or FMCD, in the e-commerce, the manufacturing company, in the consultancy companies, the ITs, market research, digital marketing and others, where you will get the highest package of 25.6 lakh per annum, while the median package stands at 11.4, while the average stands at 11.72 lakh per annum. So guys, as compared to the fee structure, whereas the PGDM program for overall 2 years has the fees approx 16.98 lakh for 2 years, and this provides you the highest package of 25.6 lakh per annum. So guys, ultimately here you will get the best return on investment. And here we have some record about the top 20 candidates got the average salary of 20.27 lakh per annum, top 50 candidates got 16.62 lakh per annum, and the top 100 candidates got the average salary of 14.54 lakh per annum. So guys, with respect to placement, the GIM Goa has the record of 100% placement, and these all are the past recruiters such as the Reliance Industry Limited, Asian Paints, BMW, Signify, SBI Cards, Saint Gobain, the very well known companies. And this year around 41 new recruiters to participate in the placement cell. So guys, overall the GIM Goa is one of the top business school which has the 100% placement record. It is a pioneer institute in all the facilities like infrastructure with respect to placement, academic with respect to career guidance. So guys, don't worry about anything, just prepare for the CMAT, target the GIM, and to crack CMAT, join Manwar online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional, full course, and here you can also interact live with us. In live program you will get all these stuffs as complimentary, so call on this number or you can simply visit at manwaredu.com/MBA entrance. And guys, if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.